It's good, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. We on the GoPro again. We gonna take the car out for another drive, another POV video. And we have hit 59 subs very fast. Love's been shown on the channel, on the videos, so I appreciate you all for that. We're gonna get you a co-star right now. We're gonna get into the video. So you guys aren't new, man. Jinx too fast, you feel me? If you are returning, welcome back to the video. Subscribe if you do enjoy the content. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Let's get into this. to go back home, 'cause I don't know where I'm going. Thank you, thank you. I was only going 60. Like, this car's not fast. I think it just sounds pretty good, that's all. Guys, we're gonna make this car a lot faster very soon. Been slacking on it, but I think I'm just gonna pull the trigger on it, so. Same price. Or normal price, I should say. It says 35 on the turn. When do we go 35 on a turn, bro? Oh, maybe we should, brother. Even like the smallest pulls are so amazing. I don't know why. They're not even pulls. They're just small bits of just sound or just, ugh. Makes you want to bust. Ooh, Corvette. Slowing down. Alright guys, that honestly is gonna conclude today's video. Love y'all. Catch you on the next video. See y'all on the next one. Subscribe if you do enjoy the content, man, and catch you on the next video. I love y'all. I'm out.